463 for a gallon, yo. I think this is the lowest amount I've seen in a minute, you guys. So first, we are actually starting off at the gas station because today I'm actually fixing my front suspension. If you guys remember, for so long, right, my front suspension has been fucked up, right? And this is my second time actually fixing it. And before anything, we have to add some gas. What the fuck, bro? It should just stop at $24. Yo, bro, it shows an empty tank. You guys can see I'm just adding 93 today. I usually mix it with E85. But I've been running E85 in this car for so long. So I just think it's time to maybe clean up the injectors with some 93 so that I don't run into some issues. So yeah, it's going to be just only 93 for today. Now, later on tonight, I might be going to a car meet, and that's when I'm going to fill up with some E85. Because hopefully by then, but knowing my luck, I don't know. My suspension should be fixed. This car should be a bit more drivable, and yeah. All right, it keeps on stopping, so I'm gonna just stop here. I gotta be there at 12 anyways, and I'm running late. Anyways, so $44, it's not bad. Damn, bro, what the fuck? This shit ain't even full. So like, it kept on stopping, but like, you're not. Okay, sure. That makes fucking sense. I'm about an hour and 15 minutes away. Hopefully, I have the right parts. I did not confirm to see whether or not they actually sent me the correct parts. I'm just assuming. So hopefully. So we are here. Hopefully today we could get our front suspension fixed in time to maybe go to a car meet later on. Hopefully. So that is the plan. You got that blinker fluid? Yeah, I think it goes over here. And it's good for up to 10,000 blinks.
So you know what BMWs are good. That'll last us forever.
Every time I see it, yo, like, it makes my car look stock. Yo, like, there's a lot of things on this car that I want. Like, for example, these rear spats, whatever it's called, I want this spoiler. This, I want that. I want 18-inch wheels, but it's really hard to find 18 inches that could actually clear your calipers. But yo, this car is fucking clean. Like, I think I've shown you guys the inside of it. This man has like carbon fiber everything. So guys, these are my old struts. So they failed because of this gasket right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right over there. So that's what happened. So yep. We actually fixed the main components of the car. And I'm just trying to see if I am rubbing. The car is fixed, right? If you notice, right, the front end is a bit more lower than the rear. For some reason, even though Otis made sure that they were the same height as before, the front end, it seems to be maybe sitting a bit lower than before. But I took the car for a test drive to see if I was going to rub, and I don't really think I am rubbing as bad. But if I am, right, it's like more back there. So it's either the tire is going to create space for me, or I have to make space, or ultimately I might have to increase the height. But I honestly think the height right now is okay. It's not perfect. Well, actually, it is sort of perfect. It's not really an issue right now. So at least as of yet. So what's also going to happen next is I'm actually going to go out with Otis. We are going to go for a quick drive. He's taking out his Supercharged RCF right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can fucking hear it. And we are going out for a quick drive. We are going to go take some pictures. I do wish my car was a lot cleaner, but I haven't gotten a car wash in so long. Yo, fucking straight. Hold on. Sheesh. Now, this is a race car. Holy shit. Yo. Now, yo, this is a race car, bro. What? Huh?
Eight-cylinder Prius.
Eight-cylinder Prius, bro. No, this is nice, bro. This is nice. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna just follow you, bro. That is just, yo, that thing is just nasty, y'all. Oh my god. Yo, I was gonna fucking pop. Nah, guys. Yo, that thing is so fucking loud. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. Oh. Yo. Nah, yo. If this camera is not catching this, I'm gonna lose my mind. Yo, he's popping so frequently, bro. Bro. Nah. Oh, Otis, bro. If you're seeing this, bro, like, I'm gonna need you to trade your RCF with my RCF, right? I'm seeing his RCF out of the house. I've only seen it inside of the house, but like I've never seen it just fully out. So like this is incredible, y'all. This is fucking insane. This man's about to... Holy shit. What the fuck? He is fucking out. Yo, nah, his car could handle. Yo, he is out. Honestly, yo, I could just hear his car just go. Yo, his car is fucking hooking. Also, y'all, right? Otis is used to the track. Me, I'm not used to all these fucking... Yo, he's gone. Yo, where'd he go? Oh, I see him over there. Yo, I could hear him. He's gone. This man left me in the dust. Yo, this man has to slow down for me. Nah, supercharged, not supercharged. Yo, you guys can see it, right? You see it. I'm gonna see if I can catch up real quick. Also gotta make sure that I don't oversteer. This man is wild. Yo, nah, this thing is fucking crazy. Bro. Yo. This is such a beautiful scene also. There's a lot of amazing things happening. You're gonna just let me shit. I'm like 4 cars behind now. God damn it. Fuck. You see, I could have fun but also be courteous. You feel me? Okay, I'm 1 car behind. Wait, which way? I think Otis went this way. Never mind, I found him. Almost lost him. So guys, I think my issue was that I am not trusting the car, right? Because like I'm thinking, how the fuck is he turning at like high ass speeds, right? Then like I think it's just that he trusts the car. This is a track car at the end of the day, right? It was made to like turn corners and shit. So like I'm not really a track person. Honestly, you guys, I have never touched a track. I know. How dare you? I know guys, I've never touched a track before. I should, but yeah, but Otis has, and yo, his skills are fucking up there. I'm gonna be honest, I was trying to keep up. I was like, ain't no way I'm keeping up. Maybe the 5th time. Sure. This is sick. This is just sick. Nah, his car needs, bro, this is, bro, because I'm just going around. So this is my car. Well, this is his car. This is my car. Bro, his car makes my car look stock. Bro, that's insane. But like, it's just so loud too. I'm gonna show you all the inside. And it's all good because I'm gonna show you guys a cinematic shot of this car. Or nothing is better than a cinematic shot. And all right guys, we are at the gas station, and yes, you guys see this color. That means I am pumping myself some E85, only 6 gallons, so only 6 right now. I'm actually going to a car meet. My car isn't in the best condition, as you can see, but the car meet is obviously at night, so like it really doesn't matter if I wash the shit or not. Guys, we just made it to the car meet, and we have some people checking on my car, but like I'm just act like I don't know the owner of that car. And I'm just pay attention to this IS because this shit is fire. Oh shit! Hold on, bros. Yo. That's crazy. It's crazy. This is a cool ass IS, guys. I love the wheels. Like it's, oh my gosh, like these shits pop out. But yo, it shit looks clean. It reminds me of my old IS. Except I didn't have shiny wheels. I had all black wheels. You know how it is. I think something happened, bro.
Yeah, somebody got hit off a bike.
Hey, hit off a bike?
Yeah, he was like on a pedal bike and someone must have hit him.
Oh shit.
They like ran him over.
Oh. This is a clean ass fucking Supra, bro. Yeah, man, he's on E85. I can smell it. Woo. I smell that corn, bro. I smell that corn. Is he supercharged? I'm just playing. Yeah, let me see your hand. You take care of the business, all right? See ya.
Kids be like,
this man got the McLaren. Bro, you guys are fucking funny, bro. You guys see this shit? Very funny. Guys, I think we're getting kicked out. I'm not too sure because like it isn't official, but I think we're leaving. Or I'm gonna say I think they are leaving because I'm not leaving. But yeah, interesting. What the fuck is going on, bro? I'm gonna just start heading home because I don't know, like a lot of things, as you guys can see, a lot of things happen in this army. So I'm gonna just wrap the video up here. Hope you guys actually enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't yet, also don't forget to subscribe. Also, guys, because I'm trying to hit 1 million subscribers by I'm gonna say, damn it, bro, can I fucking talk? Yeah, just don't forget to subscribe, y'all, if you haven't yet. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out. Peace.